Okay, guys, just a quick video. In the video I uploaded earlier this week, the Swedish Institute Scholarship, I told you guys that if any of you want me to show a quick video of how to actually access the admission portal, rank your courses and all that stuff, just let me know. So I think two people indicated interest in the comment section, so I just felt I should quickly just do a video for them because I know that sometimes this portal can be a bit difficult to navigate. So this is the admission portal. The link is going to be in the description box. So just click on create an account if you don't have an account. I already have an account, but I'm just showing you how to create an account if you want to. So do you have a Swedish personal ID number? The answer is no. Because I already created an account, if I click on no, it's just going to take me automatically to my account. So you just click on no and follow the necessary requirements, input your details, and then you open your account. So once you open your account, what you see here is this page. They are going to welcome you, and this is the application page. Do you understand? This is the admission portal. So what you do is that we go for search for courses and program. So once you click on this link, it will take you to this page. Now in this page, these are the courses and the programs that are open for autumn 2025. That means you're going to be starting September of 2025. Okay, so the first thing I do is that I streamline. So in the example of the video I gave you, it was Dalarna University that I picked. So I'm going to be picking this, and let me say I'm going to pick a master's program in business intelligence. Oh no, let's do a master's program in data science, since that's the 2-year course. So I told you before that a 120 credits is a 2-year course and a 60 credits is a 1-year course. Now you can see the application period for this course is between 15th October to 15th January. And once you see green, it means the application period is open. When you see yellow, it means it is not yet open. So maybe you have to check back to see whether it's open. So let me select this. So that's my one selection. Now, if I decide to select another course in this university, what I'll just have to do is scroll down and look for another course. But just so that, I told you that you have options to select up to 4 different courses, or you can even select the same courses in 4 different universities, or you can select 4 different courses in one university. But I will advise that you spread your course selection along different universities, so that even if a university does not pick you, you have the option of being selected for another university. And what they do is that if the first university you pick as your rank does not give you admission, the next university will review it. If they don't give you admission, the next university will review it. At least one of that 4 should give you admission. So let's go. Let me pick another university. Okay, let me use Chalmers University of Technology. So let me do. I'm going to be selecting. Let's select biomedical engineering, a master's program in biomedical engineering. It is 120 credits degree. So let's click on select for this one. Now let me scroll up. Please, when you're selecting, don't select courses that are very, very different. You don't want to select science and art and this thing. No, please select something that you have. There's a way they'll pick you. So let's do our last university. Let's pick Lund, because Lund University is the top ranking university in Sweden, and I like the name. So we have different courses here for Lund University. Okay, they are showing me a lot of bachelor's degree. I don't want bachelor's degree, I want master's. So let me streamline that. I'm going to be picking the master's program in management and economics of innovation. And so as not to waste our time, I'll just scroll down and pick another master's in Lund University, Masters of Art program in European Studies. So I'm going to be selecting that. So I have my 4 selections. So once I have selected that, what I do is that I go to my selection. So this is my selection. This is your selection. This is your first selection. So what do we do? You can they give you a quick glance of the application process, what to expect and stuff of each of them. So once you are sure that these are the 4 you want to select, we'll click on start application. So what will happen is that you must rank your choices before submitting your application. So what you are going to do is that this is your choice. These are your choices, but you have 4 choices. Now you have to make sure that you do your last ranking now, because once you submit, you will not be able to change the ranking. So if I look at it and I say, I don't want data science in Dalana to be my first choice. Maybe I want the master's program in management and economics of innovation to be my first choice. What I'll do is that I'm going to move it up. I'm going to move it up. Oh, okay. I didn't know. Okay, I'm going to move it up to be my first choice. So you can see I've changed the ranking. Then I'm now saying, let me move this one to the last place, and I will make biomedical my second choice, Masters of Arts in European Studies my third choice, and this one my fourth choice. So if I am sure that this is what I want to use to apply, if I am sure that this is my ranking, so I told you before, what that means is that Chalmers University will first check you out. So when they check you out, if they did not give you admission, what will happen is that it will be moved to I selected to Chalmers University. I didn't know that though. It will be moved to biomedical engineering program. They'll check you out. If they not give you admission, it will move to the Lund University. They'll check you out. And if they don't also give you admission, it will be moved to Dalarna University and they will check you out. So you can see that Sweden actually gives you ample opportunity to be selected. Do you understand? So that's why I said that 90 Swedish kronas that you have to pay as application fee is actually worth it. Do you understand? Because they're giving you opportunities to be selected. So when you look at it, if you are sure that this is what you want to apply for, this is your selection, and you guys keep it in mind. I told you that some of these schools, university, actually offer tuition fee scholarship to people that select them as first choice. So what that means is that you can go and check out Chalmers University. They may be offering like 50% or 100% tuition fee scholarship. So international students that choose them as a first choice. I know that Lund offers 100% tuition fee for that. I'm not sure about Chalmers because I haven't checked that out, but I know that Lund does that. So if you want their tuition fee, if you go and check out the university and you want their tuition fee you want to also apply for their tuition fee scholarship apart from this Swedish Global Scholarship you're applying for, you have to make sure that you rank them as first choice. In fact, it will notify them once you are sure of this thing and you click on continue, you are going to submit. Once you click on submit, you are going to be getting an email. So whatever school you put as first choice is actually going to send you an email thanking you for actually picking them as first choice, and then you will not be able to continue with the application. So you see that ranking is very, very important. Once you click on continue, you can now click on submit, and then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can now go back. It's going to open a different page for you. You're now going to be seeing application documents received by mail. It's still the same portal. So what you do is that you can click on once you click on submit, you can go back and check some things. But now I'm going to be clicking on documents. Now they are going to be sending you some messages on your portal, so you can always check this out. Sometimes they may ask you for extra documentation if you are submitting your documents, some extra things. You can also send them email there, so you want to keep checking it out. Now this is your profile. In your profile, when you are opening your account, they're going to ask you for your name, some important stuff like that. You fill it in. So if you want to check out your profile and maybe edit anything or make sure something is correct, please make sure you do that. But make sure that when you are creating an account, you fill in all the proper information that you're going to be needing. So let's go to documents. So in the documents, you are going to be understanding your document requirements. So our advice that you read the guide. You need to provide a valid passport, submit a copy of a valid passport or a valid identity card with your citizenship listed there. Your educational documents, you have to upload it. You have to upload your transcript and the rest. Now, please, depending on your country, let me just click on the country's requirements just so that we'll see what is required. Now, you click on the country requirements for application. Let's now see if our country is listed. I am in Nigeria, so let me just go straight to Nigeria. So let's click on Nigerian's country requirements because very, very important. So you have to meet the general entry requirements. Your English language requirements. If you have a GC O level in English, is acceptable. If you have if you got your English in WAEC, is also acceptable. but just make sure you upload your WAEC results. Do you understand? If you have also completed a 4 years bachelor's degree in Nigeria, then you have a sufficient level of English. So you don't have to provide any English language requirements. For your country, if you are not a Nigerian, please check out your own country too and see what you need to provide as English language requirement. Now guys, please, let me mention this. It's very, very important. Now this is general documentation requirements. You need to provide your certificate, your diplomas, your transcripts of completed courses and grades for each semester. Now, this is what you must know. The documents must be officially issued by a representative of the academic registrar office, the examination office, or the equivalent office that issues the official transcript of record at your university. Make sure the transcripts are dated so that they can see when they are issued. Let's look at the special document instruction. This is what I want to point out about your transcripts. Now, your official transcript, now not your student transcript, because sometimes some schools give out student transcript then official transcripts. What they need here is your official transcript. So your official transcripts must be sent directly from your university's official domain email address. So you have to contact your school, give them this email address. It is verification@uhr.se. They will have to send, the school will have to send the transcript directly to that email. This is for Nigerians. For some other countries, the qualification may differ. For other countries, the instructions may be different. Some may be asked to upload it by yourself or whatever. But this is for those that are Nigerians. Now they are saying this is for those that are Nigerians. They say any transcript that is sent by a private individual will not be accepted. So you cannot send your transcript by yourself. Your transcript cannot be sent from an email that is not your school email. It must be the school email or the registrar email. That's how they know that this thing is authentic. They will not be able to answer any questions sent to this address from senders other than your university. Now, do not send any cover sheet to the universities or university you have previously attended and requested transcripts for. If they send your transcript to the university admission in Sweden with any scanned cover sheet, your documents will not be accepted. So just tell your university to send your transcript. Don't attach any cover letter. Don't attach anything. Now your name and birth date must match on all documents. So these are some of the instructions. One thing with them is that when it comes to name, when it comes to documentation, when it comes to instruction on following the documentation, you want to make sure you read it. They are giving you opportunities to apply and get good scholarship. It may seem taxing, but if you look at the amount of funding and somewhat easy it is, you just make sure you get your documentation in order and start now so that everything will be verified. So that's how these are the instructions on your application. Do you understand? Now, I told you that depending on your course that you are applying for, some may tell you that you need to provide a motivation letter. Some of them you don't need a motivation letter. Some of them you may need a recommendation letter. Some you don't need. So if maybe you are applying for your first choice and your first choice does not need a motivational letter, but your second choice needs maybe your second and your third choice needs a motivation letter, you have to submit it. You have to submit a motivational letter, but you only submit one that will include all of them. Do you understand? There are more instructions on the instruction portal, that place I just showed you. So please make sure you check it out and read it. Now, when you are done uploading all your documents, everything is in order, you are sure that you are ready to apply, it's going to be taking you to the application. It's going to be taking you to the application fee part where you have to pay I think is it 90 or 900 Swedish kronas. If you convert that to your country's currency, and you can pay for it with card or whatever. So that's that for this. I hope that you're able to at least understand how to navigate this. It's quite simple. Please just make sure you get all the instructions and you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.